Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we encountered while trying to install FreeBSD 14 with ZFS using the shell option. The issue arose when we reached the partitioning section and attempted to run the part destroy nda0 command, which resulted in a device busy error. Despite checking if the device was mounted, the error persisted, leading us to explore potential driver issues for the drive. Now, onto the solution that unraveled the mystery behind the device busy error. According to the part manual, to successfully destroy a partition table, all partitions must first be deleted using the delete action. By following the provided example for the 0 with 3 partitions and utilizing the F option with destroy, we can efficiently delete all partitions before destroying the partitioning scheme, thereby resolving the error. It was a simple yet crucial step that made all the difference in this scenario. In conclusion, understanding the nuances of partition deletion and correctly destroying the partitioning scheme can eliminate the device busy error during FreeBSD installation with ZFS using the shell option. So, remember to follow the steps outlined in the solution for a smooth installation process. If you found this information helpful, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.